What's up, guys? Hi, 20 here, and welcome back to another video. This is my dog Stella. I said I was gonna make a quick update on my plants. Here is my banana plant. As you can see, it has gotten double the size. I don't remember how it looked before. I remember when I first planted, I pruned these two original leaves off. But since then, I think it had 2 leaves. I think it was 2 leaves. Or, yeah, I think it was 2 leaves. And as you can see, I now have not just the 2, but 3, 4. I have 4 leaves now. This is the newest one. Every week, it was growing more leaves. So, this is the newest one. This one had, I believe, 2 leaves. And as you can see, this has 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. This is the newest leaf for this one. And as you can see, right here, that's a new leaf growing already. So, what they say about banana trees growing very fast, they weren't lying. They weren't lying. It's doing good. It was very, 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 very hot for the past couple of days in South Carolina. But it's an evergreen. I don't see. The only one that is not doing very well is this one. I guess the sun shriveled it. Other than that, I mean, look at it. I'm gonna water it right now to keep it hydrated. But I do have my homemade free compost. Mulching, which is just nothing but pine straw that I found in the woods, and I just sprinkle it on there to lock in the moisture when it does heat up, because you don't want the heat to steam up your soil. So yeah, but other than that, it's doing pretty good. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna give you another update and show you how it's looking. But other than my banana plant, this is my loquat tree. The sun done a number on my tree. I'm sure it's still alive, but it scorched the mess out of my tree. As you can see, the leaves are turning orange. Some of them already fell. All those leaves on the floor, on the ground, it was on this tree. It should bounce back, but yeah, the strength of the sun, man. Strength of the sun. I'm just gonna go for a walk, but y'all may be wondering what happened to the pineapples. Weren't you growing pineapples? I was, but it didn't go to plan. I was so busy because I work 2 jobs, so I don't really have a chance to rest like that or have one-on-one time with the the growing process with my pineapple plants. So while it was in the water, it did start to rot, and I accidentally put in too much water, or it was shrinking and it fell deeper into the water, and the core of one of them actually got so wet it rotted. After that, I was like, you know what? Because that way of growing it does work, but since I didn't have time to keep monitoring it and making sure it didn't rot, I just threw them away. So my next approach is doing the good old soil technique. So basically, I prep it how I did it before, and I put it in the soil, keep it hydrated for at least 4 to 6 weeks until it it starts to root on its own. So you can either root it in water or you can root it directly in soil. So I think I'm going to do that one next. But for right now, I just have my banana tree at the moment. But in the future, I will revisit my 2 pineapples and I will try it again. But other than that, that's about it for this little update video. Hopefully, there will be much more progress probably next month. Whenever I do another monthly update on it. But other than that, I hope you all liked it. I hope you all liked the video. You know, like, comment, subscribe. You know, tell me your thoughts on it. By the way, it's growing at these rates without any fertilizer. Yes, I do have fertilizer that I did purchase, but I haven't used it yet because it's going fast. It's growing on its own. It's going crazy. So, in the future, when it does slow as it gets bigger, then I'll add it. Probably 3 months down the road. I don't know, but we'll get to that bridge when it's time to cross it. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Tyler 120 out. Peace.